In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update BIOS on a Lenovo laptop. So first head over and open up Lenovo Vantage on your app lists. This app is usually pre-installed on Lenovo laptops, but if you still don't have it, you can download it from Google Chrome. And now once inside the app, hover your mouse in the left panel and click on the System Update button. Now from here, click on the Check for Updates button. Just wait until all the updates have been loaded. And from here, you should see BIOS and firmware updates. All you have to do is tick the box beside it. Usually, you should see an update that is called BIOS Update Utility. You can also see the version, size, and release date. And you should also see the Install Now button in this section. All you have to do is click on it. Now, once downloaded, double click the file and simply follow all the on screen instructions. From there, your laptop will then restart automatically and begin updating the BIOS. Make sure that you do not turn it off during this process, and when it finishes, your laptop will then reboot back into Windows. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!